Hello, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start. So first you open the hood, and then right here on the driver's side you should see a battery with your positive terminal here, your negative here, and you can always double check on the battery as well. There'll be a negative sign and a positive sign on the battery. But next I double check for any corrosion or looseness in these lines that you can clean up and tighten, which with a good brush or rag you can clean up most of the corrosion, tighten these up. But once you have all that done, with your jumper box or jumper cables, you'll connect directly to your positive metal here, and then the negative side directly to the negative here. And if you're running to another car, make sure your positive leads directly to another positive and your negative to another negative on the car. So you don't want to swap these, because if even just a few seconds of them swapped can sometimes cause damage to your computer systems, fuses, things like that. But after a few minutes of having that running, hopefully you get it started. And if that doesn't work, worst case, you can just disconnect these rods here, these connectors, and then just lift the old battery out, stick your new battery in, and then just retighten everything. And at that point, you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.